Hey guys, Dan here with Battlefield Curator, and today we're looking at the top 3 Milsurps that you should get with your stimulus check. The following is just a suggestion of what's out there and what's more attainable. Alright, so number 3, if you're looking to spend just a little bit of that stimulus check on something, check out Carcanos. Carcanos are a fun bolt-action little carbine you can take to the range and plink. There's a lot of Carcano carbines still on the market, and if you check out places like Bud's, Palmetto State Armory, DK Firearms, Gander Outdoors, I'm sure you'll find some in stock. You can check locally or you can check online, but I would prefer you go locally. That way you can check out the bores, because some of these have been in storage for a long time and the corrosive ammo has not been kind to the bores. Depending on the bore condition, some of them can be really accurate. Some come with the bayonet and some are Truppe Speciale models. They shoot the 6.5 Carcano, which is right now kind of hard to find, but once the overall demand for ammo goes down, places like Steinel, who specialize in military surplus ammo, will begin producing them in higher quantities. Alright, we're taking a little intermission, and we're going to say pulverize that like button and subscribe if you haven't. It'll really help out with the channel. Thanks guys. Carrying on. Alright, number 2 on my list. If you're looking to blow all that stimulus check on one Milsurp, probably should check out the M1 Carbines from RTI. Yes, they're really pricey. If you can find M1 carbines locally for cheaper, then go ahead and make that purchase. The best part about these M1 carbines from RTI is that bore condition. These were stored in Ethiopia, so the exterior might have a lot of blemishes, but the internals are really clean. The one I got from them has really crisp lands and grooves, all the way to the crown at the muzzle. Now I know RTI only has a few left, so if you can get your hands on one, you might as well get one while they stay at these price levels. Milsurp number 1 may be the best one to get with your stimulus check. Go ahead and get you an M1 Garand from the Civilian Marksmanship Program. Many of these M1 Garands have come from overseas and have been rebuilt with extra parts. But where else are you going to find an M1 Garand for under $1,000? They have a north store and a south store, and the south store is in Anniston, Alabama. Close by is the Talladega Marksmanship Park, which is a state-of-the-art firing range with electronic targets. You can purchase an M1 Garand and then take it right straight to the range, same day. You can also make your purchase from a mail-in order. Instructions can be found online on their website. Now they do have eligibility requirements, but they're fairly easy to meet. For instance, you need to be a member of a club. The Garand Collectors Association can fulfill that requirement, and it's only $25 a year. You can check out all the eligibility requirements online. Link in the description. You can also find more information by checking out the CMP forums. Link in the description as well. So here is a bonus Milsurp. Alright, a lot of places online still have in stock a CZ82 or a CZ83. The CZ82s fire the 9x18 Makarov, while the CZ83 fires the 380 ACP. These are beloved Comblock era pistols from Czechoslovakia, and most of them come in as police trade-ins. They're really fun, snappy little pistols to take to the range, and some folks actually prefer to conceal carry one. They might not be around for long, so you know, that's a good flex option. So hey guys, these are some suggestions that I readily found online. You can also shop around locally and maybe find something that would more fit your Milsurp collection. Thanks for watching guys, and make sure to check us out on Instagram and Facebook. Also check out some of the other Milsurp videos that we have on the channel. And as always guys, make it a great day.